Hi everyone, this is what I packed in the Tom Bihn Zeitgeist and Paradigm. This is the Zeitgeist in Taiga, Coyote, and Northwest Sky. My keys are stored in the interior pocket of the front flap. Next, I have some clothing stored in the Tom Bihn Design Lab Edition Packing Cube shoulder bag. Also inside the main compartment, I have my glasses, a Tom Bihn V4 mask, my wallet, and a 16-ounce hydro flask with a flip lid. This is the iPad Pro 10.5-inch with the first generation Apple Pencil. Going inside the front pocket, I've stored my iPhone 8 Plus and hand sanitizer. Inside the packing cube, I've stored a cardigan, a pair of socks, a t-shirt, and a pair of shorts. This is the Paradigm in Ursa and Tidal. Inside the Kangaroo pocket, I have my 16-ounce hydro flask with a flip lid, my glasses, a Tom Bihn V4 mask, hand sanitizer, my keys, my wallet, and my iPhone 8 Plus. The main compartment holds my cubelet with some stationery items in it. Two Mandarin oranges, a Tom Bihn Sketchbook, my 10.5-inch iPad Pro, some snacks for on the go, and my cardigan. Thanks for watching.